Let's look at how to change or reset your Gmail password. One of the first questions users often have is where to find their Gmail password. In adherence to robust security practices, Google doesn't display passwords in plain text. If you've forgotten your password or need to change it for security reasons, you'll have to follow a few steps. Step 1. Visit the Google Password Reset page and enter your Gmail address. Step 2. Google will offer various methods to verify your identity and reset your password. You can choose to receive a text message or email with a verification code, or use your Google account recovery options. Step 3. If you choose to verify via text message or email, enter the code received in the specified field. Step 4. Choose a strong and unique password that meets Google's password requirements. Step 5. Re-enter your new password to confirm it. Step 6. Once your password is reset, you can sign in to your Gmail account using your new password. Subscribe for more Google Workspace productivity tips, or visit workspacetips.io.